Hello friends. So we are now the simple present, uses of the simple present. We have seen habitual actions, repeated actions, isn't it? Such things we have already seen, or certain fixed situations, and we have got general truths, or we say universal truths like the sun rises and things. Now we have another, that is sequence of actions in the present. Sequence, for example, we say, no? The morning, you see, your timetable, you can explain like this. I get up in the morning, sequence of events, and then I say my prayers, after that I do my personal work, and then go to my farm. See, that is sequence of events now. I get up in the morning, and then I say my prayers. After that, I do my personal work, and then go to my farm for work. So like that you can do, no? Such a sequence of events. Another I will give you an example. So if you say like that, we get up in the morning, go to the temple, offer our prayers, and then visit the poor homes nearby and serve them free breakfast. That's a good idea. We get up in the morning, then go to temple for prayers, offer our prayers. After that, we visit the poor homes nearby and serve them free breakfast. That is sequence of events. Or you can say that after I come back from office, I attend to all my pending works. After I come back from office, I attend to all my pending works. Listen. Or you can say, no, we go to the park on holidays with our teachers and friends, and after that some of them play games and others go for swimming in the nearby river. Or you can say, first we sweep the classroom after reaching our school, and after that we wait patiently for the teacher. Or you can say, my father gets up early in the morning, and after that he goes for a walk. My father gets up early in the morning. Or my grandfather gets up very early in the morning and start shouting at all the other members of the family. Sometimes it can happen because old people, they don't have sleep. So they get up and then they start shouting. Shouting means not a negative way, but saying the prayers loudly and all those things, isn't it? Or you can say the leader of the class greets everyone, and after that requests them to support him. So you have lots of things like that. On festival days, first we reach the church, and after that we go around, meet our friends, and then we go to the ground nearby or the Mela, yes, down nearby or the Mela, and we participate in that. Understand? Or when we arrange for a picnic, first we telephone to all our friends, and then we get their consent. After that, one day, on the appointed day, we meet at a particular place or previously agreed upon, and then hire a taxi and go. So if you have the sequence of actions in the present, you know, yeah. On exam day, you can say on an exam day, we get up very early in the morning, have a fine bath. After that, we sit down and revise all our portions, and then we go to school to attend or to take the exam. So like that we have got a sequence of actions in the present. So for that you use the simple present. And this sequence of actions happens in everybody's life. So you need the simple present. That's what I told you, this is a very important tense, and without the simple present you cannot live in this world. Because without present you cannot, you always live in the present, isn't it? Yes. So again you can say now. So after taking our breakfast, we go to the bus stop, and we stand there. But the bus doesn't come. But we don't curse. But though the bus is late, we don't curse the driver or the manager of the bus. But we wait patiently, and then the bus comes. We enter the bus, and after that, the bus driver starts the bus, and finally we reach the school very, very late. So we can say like that. And we get a good scolding from our teacher. See that? So these are things that happen, sequence of actions in the present. And for this you need the simple present. Understand? So then we can say like this, sequence of actions. One sequence of actions in the present. Actions in the present. So many examples I have given you. Now you can have one more example, like say on festival days, there are many days. Or let us say on Holi. See, celebrating Holi. See, for celebrating Holi, Holi festival, you know, Holi is a Holi festival. First we buy colors, different colors are there. Then we mix them, and after that we go around and sprinkle the different colors, sprinkle a clash of colors. That will be beautiful. A clash of colors. Sprinkle a clash of colors on our friends and relatives. So this is what we do on the day of Holi, celebrating Holi. So series of actions we have, sequence of action. We color, we go mix them, we go to friends, we sprinkle them, and just go around playing and enjoying. Understand? So this is sequence of actions in the present. And now we have got another, a very simple one, that is for today, that is giving instructions, both negative and positive. So that is giving instructions. You can give instructions. Instructions can be given in the present only. You cannot do instructions in the past. There's something that you have to do now. So he said that don't talk in the class. See, you cannot say did not talk in the class. That you cannot say. So don't talk in the class. Don't talk. Very often we say no, don't talk. Teachers will say, no, don't talk in the class. Please come here. Instructions. Please take these books to the next room. Instructions, isn't it? Kindly go out and fetch some water. Kindly go out and fetch some water. Or you have got, behave yourself properly. Behave yourself properly. Then the last day for submitting your answer books is such and such. So, or you can say, make sure that you come after having bath. Because sometimes in cold climates, people don't take bath. So you can say, make sure that you come after taking a bath. Or you can say, don't take breakfast with you. Tomorrow is a feast day. Tomorrow is our feast day. Breakfast will be served here. That's a good news. That's a good instruction. Yes. And again we have got such, like it may rain, so don't. So bring an umbrella. Take an umbrella with you. Take an umbrella with you. It may rain. See? Or you can say that don't misbehave. Don't misbehave in the class, or in the bus, or in the playground, on the playground, and like that you can say. So instructions like that. Do this, do that. Don't do this. Take some water. If you are feeling thirsty, take water. Take some water and drink. Please come and take this tea. The tea has been prepared, so please come and take. Listen, get me some chalk. Get me some chalk. Or get me a pen, a marker pen, for me to write on the whiteboard. So that is another use. So we have seen repeated actions, habitual actions. And then we saw general rules, like the sun rises in the east. Afterwards you fix the arrangements, isn't it? So to fix the situations, you can use this. And for example, we say the train starts at 5 in the morning, so get ready, like that. And now we saw sequence of actions in the present, and also giving instructions. So these are the different uses of, various uses of the simple present. I think you are happy with this, and you will try to do some exercise on your own. Tomorrow we will be having a mixed exercise. Mixed. So right from the first to the present. That is our repeated actions, habitual actions. Then you have got the general truth, you have got to fix the situations, fix the arranged situations, and now a sequence of events, and also you have what we call instructions. Okay? So wait happily for the instruction. So please wait happily, cheerfully for the exercise that will be given to you tomorrow or the next in the near future. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. See, have a nice day. Present, have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. See, present and see. Enjoy yourself. So almost every day I am using the simple present for this. That is instructions. It's not instruction actually, it's a kind of wish. Enjoy yourself. Have a nice day. Excellent. Hope you are fine. Bye.